Hello, my most amazing techies. Welcome back to kaetalkstech. I'm Kay. Let's talk tech. So today I want to talk about one way that you can level up, right? So let's say that you are a project analyst or a team leader or just whatever type of work you do. You want to be in charge of something. You want to do a little management. One way for you to get started in that direction is to get a CAPM. For some reason, I've been seeing this advertised on YouTube more lately, and so I wanted to talk about it. So the CAPM is Certified Associate in Project Management, and it's a certification that you get through the Project Management Institute, or PMI.org. Definitely go and visit that website. They have multiple levels of certification. I have a couple of them. And I can tell you, their most prestigious one is the Project Management Professional. That's for people who have experience in project management. And when I put that on my resume, after I actually got the certification, it opened some doors for me. They are a prestigious organization, well respected in project management. So if you're interested in managing projects and you don't have any experience in it, you get the CAPM. The requirements are not as stringent. You should study for the exam, then join PMI, then take the certification, because you get a reduced price on the certification exam if you're a member. A lot of these industry organizations do that. Now, it doesn't save you any money otherwise, because I'm not sure, but I think that the certification, or rather the membership, is more than $75. So if you get the exam, is going to be $300. Yeah, $300 for they know who they are, and they know that they're well respected, and they know that their certifications open doors. So yeah, you got to pay the price, but it's $300 in the United States if you're not a member. But if you are a member, it's $225. So you save $75, and you can use that $75 towards your membership, which you should have if you're going to get a CAPM, and here's why. If you have a membership, there are free classes, some of them in AI, that you can take, and anything AI is going to help you. I've taken several classes from them. I think it was 4. Yeah, I think it was 4. Then they have, they have local chapters, so you can join a local chapter for an additional membership fee. I think it's $25, but it may depend on the chapter. You can also, with that local membership, you can participate in different programs that they have. Now, I said with that local membership, but the events that the local memberships have will either be a free or reduced price if you're a chapter member, but if you still want to go, you can just pay for it. So when I wasn't a member, I had let my membership expire because I was unemployed. I paid for the class, and it was $10, things like that. So they have job fair. I got a resume review from them that was extremely helpful. That was free of charge. So they do offer mentorship. They will try to help you with your job search. And I found the people doing that to be very, very welcoming and helpful. So yeah, you might want to think about going on and joining that and getting that CAPM and letting a couple of more doors open up for you, because I'm going to tell you, the name of the game is those certifications, right? And I think that started happening because we had so many offshore competitors for these same American jobs, and the truth is there was some fraud happening, right? And I'm not saying that all fraud belongs to offshore folks. I'm just saying that's around the time that it happened, that I became aware of it. So in any event, now they want proof, right? So if you have a certification, it kind of gives the employer some, well, they still have to interview and everything, but it gives them some sense of security that somebody they know that is reliable, not someone they don't know. A reliable organization says you got the goods and here's a piece of paper to prove it. It's like having a degree, right? And it's like a mini degree in whatever that particular thing is. So, yeah, CAPM can be a very, very valuable thing if you're interested in moving into some sort of leadership role. And eventually, as you get experience, you should definitely get your PMP, because that one is the gold standard. They have other levels, they have other certifications, but that PMP, I think that was the first one they had, and it's very well respected. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. I hope that was helpful to you. Again, the organization is pmi.org. Go and check it out. One other thing is this particular organization, the education that you have to do, there's rules around it. So make sure that you read what it is that's required for the certification, okay? Don't just take my word for it, because I haven't told you everything for sure. All right, go check it out, follow the channel, share the video, and come back again when we will continue to talk tech. Bye.